Anyways, a little bit of explosion things happen because it's awesome. Okay, sorry. Hey guys, it's Michael, also known as Michael, from your Nostalgia channel. Nostalgia's coming live today with another video. Because it's day 2 for review number 2 for my top favorite characters review. Because as you all know, yesterday I reviewed the Luigi one, which is my personal favorite for Nintendo. Because we're going to go up a notch and switch things up to Rovio. I personally love Rovio games. Like it's all about Angry Birds today. So I've been playing the original Angry Birds game. That was when it started all. My mom got the new phone, and she got her free GS. She downloaded the Angry Birds game. She's like, I don't know what this is, and it turns out I love it. And I kept going on to the evolution of Angry Birds. Angry Birds Rio, Space, Star Wars, Transformers, Go, Star Wars 2, Angry Birds 2, Epic, and stuff that I can't think about, and more games that aren't related to Angry Birds that I mentioned need to talk to myself like I need these birds, but I finally got the birds on my hands, those little guys right there, those squishy ones. Some of them are upstairs, but if you saw the intro, this was my favorite. If you saw the intro, you know this one's my favorite.
Explosions and things happen because it's awesome. Okay, I'm sorry. I have to do that.
But more explosions because everything's awesome. Okay.
Explosions and things happen because it's awesome. Okay, I'm sorry. And explosions and things happen because it's awesome. Okay, so here.
Explosions, shiny stuff, and things that. No. Explosions and shiny things stuff. That makes it awesome. Okay, I'm sorry. But, anyways, we're about to review Terence, the older brother of Red. They don't even mention that from the movie. It's just Terence. Like, he doesn't give an F. Basic storyline from Terence. He was originally the hero from the 4th stage. From when King Pig and his minion pigs took the birds, kidnapping them because they didn't have the force of power to destroy them all. So they started constructing these cool objects. And that's when Terence came into play, and he was like, curse you. Okay, I need to save my heroes. So he went that save Hal the Greenbird, which is also my second favorite, but he's not going to mention this video. Okay, I'm sorry. And he saved the day. So he continued the revolution of Terence in space, where he became the Hulk. Obviously, Terence became the Chewbacca. Obvious. And then he became one of those Transformer guys as a truck. Big truck guy. Obviously. And then he does more explosions and that and all that stuff. Like in Go, he gonna do the rock and go. Obvious. Okay. He doesn't do anything in Angry Birds Go. Okay, I'm sorry. Angry Birds Epic. And basic. Anyway, after being all quiet for some reason, let's get to the review, shall we? So there is Terence, 5-inch. He's not 16-inch, and I wish he could be. But his little 2 hair tips on the front. Love that. Those aren't like black moles like you saw. This doesn't show black moles on me, but if you see them, those are actually his additional things that which I don't know what it is. As you can see right there, there is actually stitching on top of his eyebrows. 2 of them are raised. The same material that they use for the eyebrows from Luigi, like I mentioned yesterday. His eyes, angry eyes, like he is like, I'm gonna kill you. He's all. I think those little dots on his on the eyes are supposed to be that he's really old. He needs to fight more. His big beak. I like the beak personally. There's the big fat belly. Turn it over. The other birds doesn't look like him. It's his own pose. Actually, his own side. The one small tail, the taggy, the original Angry Birds, and yeah, that's just a short video of me being too anxious. So I'll call this a day. See you tomorrow. Actually, I'll see you in next video, which hasn't been released. So we'll see you later. Thank you for watching today's video, and please join the Lunatic Avalanche, because if you do, hit that like button and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll see you guys next time. And peace. Okay, I'll try to do my best to read this in Japanese, because somebody in the comments told me to read it. So, Yamini na sorimaki u Maiku no Johnson de mo so nai tu. That's how you say it? Heishia wakanu rabiu no tan nai jino rabuni mana goto no toti in landa tashi you ni kayu no rabi o anata ni kai anat no nanatsukiya shi-chan nostalgic Canada Michael Rugen Shetsi Io Nonetsi Kyowa Jotski no Chitsu Bundansu. Yeah. Are you Japanese people? You're so messed up. Oh, looks like you're doing one of those personal favorites. I should have moved that to number 1. Really? You put tape around it on the bottom? I'm gonna put up a mention with a creature with horns, spikes, 2 spikes, not spikes, like dorsal fins maybe on the top of its head. And it's one of my personal favorite games on mobile, on most consoles.